Welcome to Roaring Tales. Today let's discuss whatever you're doing, are you effective into it or are you ineffective into it? I repeat, are you effective in whatever you're doing or are you ineffective in whatever you're doing? Every one of us has unique abilities. You must be seeing people around you with uniqueness, like they have different abilities, different talents, and so do you. But then, how connected are you with your innate talent or ability is a question. It determines, if you're doing anything in your life, anything, you may be successful into it. But then whatever work you're doing in your life, is it connected, directly connected with the abilities that are natural to you? Is it directly connected to the talent that is natural to you? So let's say, for instance, if somebody is working into a financial institution, working for many years, okay, and is doing good, is earning good salary, is earning good bonuses, also is getting promotions. But then the person may be doing that task year on year again. Okay, many years the person is doing it. Probably the person has changed companies, and with this change in the companies, the person would have got good salaries and a good rise as well. But then in that case also, is he or she happy doing what he or she is doing? Or is it an outcome of the hard work? The skill that the person has learned, the external skill that the person has acquired, or is it the continuous persistent hard work that the person is dedicatedly putting, that is resulting into success for the person? But still, somewhere the person is disconnected with the natural talent and abilities. My saying may come across a little confusing to you, but then I mean to say success can happen over skills that you must have acquired. But success multiplies, goes multifold if your hard work, your acquired skills go hand in hand with your natural talent and natural ability. Unfortunately, what is happening is your unique contribution, that is your unique talent, never gets implemented in your life. You are so busy in, or I can say choked, with all the opportunities and all the things that come to you first. You just take it and move on with it. And you have never connected or started with the natural abilities that you would have. Or maybe you are halfway connected to it, but fully you have not explored it. You have not unleashed it. So what happens is, since you have never started on that path, you have never reached or never achieved the fuller potential of your own self. You've never been your best self. You may be your skilled self, you may be your hard-working self, but you may not be your best self. You're not your best self because your skill and your hard work is bringing you to success, but the best self is still waiting. Basically, you choose your motive and your motivation. You choose your deepest desires. You choose your life, right? Now, let me put it like this. Every person has a public life, a private life, a secret life. I repeat, public life, private life, a secret life. Public life is the life which people around you, the society, your colleagues, etc. will know about you, whatever positions you are into. A private life is where your close family members know you. Very close friends, very close family members will know you. And your secret life is the life which only you know about yourself. You may be living a life where your desires are secretly fulfilled. Probably those desires are not executed fully in public because you are living a different life. But then remember one thing, you are responsible for your own life. If you live with the past, with the memories of the past, if you live with something that you have continuously done and you still are not feeling the push to connect with your inner talent, then probably you'll lead a regular life, the life that you're leading today. But if you you start exploring and understanding the core of you, the basic behavior of you, the hidden talent that you know you have, just connect it with whatever you're doing, and probably with a little imaginative way of how you can connect your inner talent with your current profile, whatever you're doing, you may just hit a big, I would say lottery or a bonus of opportunities. So many opportunities will unfold to you. Let me again, just to summarize whatever I have said, I'll give you an example. Let's say a photographer. If a photographer is doing a photography, there's a point of view. He looks at the object from his angle and focuses in a way the photograph that he wishes to click. So that angle is set, the point of view is set, and then the click happens. And that's when the photographer gets the desired result, because the angle is correctly focusing on the viewpoint. Similarly, here, be the photographer of your life. Click the picture that you want your life to display. Be the unique you. Connect with your inner self. Be effective in whatever you're doing. And with this, as I said, I always keep telling you, do a self-research. Find out about yourself. If you need any help, again, repeatedly I keep saying that, do connect with me. I would be happy to help you explore your fullest potential. And keep watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.